Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about introduction to data structure. That means what is a data structure, what are the different concepts are there in the data structure. First of all, data structure. What is meant by data structure? The name itself indicates data structures. That means organizing the data into the memory is called data structure. So there are different ways to organize the data to the structure. For example, we have seen in the C language arrays. Later we will discuss whole C language in our channel. First of all, listen. Array is collection of elements, that means the collection of memory location. So because in that memory location we have to store that value, right? So the structure of data is sequential, that means one after another, so it occupies continuous memory locations. So it is a collection of elements in the continuous memory location. So that's why data is organized in arrays data structure. So finally, what is data structure means organizing the data into the memory location. So now let us see how many types in the data structures are there. Data structure. There are two types of data structures: primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. Coming to this primitive data structure, we have already know about it. This primitive data structure is our primitive data types like int, float, char, double, and so on. So these we are also studied in our C language. If anyone know about C language, in upcoming videos I will upload all the videos regarding to the C language in our channel. So primitive data types: integer, float, char, double. It is a single memory location which can hold a value or a character only. Next, coming to the non-primitive data structure, there are two types: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear means sequential, that means the data is arranged at sequential manner. And coming to non-linear, which is not a sequential or random, that means the data is arranged at random manner. In the linear, arrays, list, stacks, queues, there are comes under the linear data structures. In the non-linear, trees and graphs, these comes under the non-linear. Arrays we have seen in C language, that means sequential elements, right? So now we have to know about lists, stacks, queues, trees, graphs. In the next session we will discuss about all these things. So first of all, how the data is organized in the list, and how the data is organized in the stacks, how the data is organized in the queues, and how the data is organized in the trees, and how the data is organized in the graphs. These all things we will discuss in the later classes. So in the lists there are three types: single linked list, double linked list, and circular linked list. And in the trees also there are two types: binary trees and binary search trees. We will discuss deeply about these topics in the further sessions. Finally, this is about to the data structure introduction. So today we have learned primitive and non-primitive and its types. And one more thing, there are common operations performed in the data structure. The major common operations: searching, and next one, searching, we can search element in the data structure. Sorting, we can sort the element in the data structure. And insertion, we can insert the element in the data structure. And deletion, we can delete the one element in the data structure. And updation, we can replace element with another element. These are the common operations should be performed in this data structure. We can search element in linked list, we can sort element in the linked list, we can insert the element in the linked list. We can delete one element in the linked list. We will update the element in the linked list. In the next sessions, we are going to discuss about the list, how we can perform common operation in lists, and after that we can discuss about stacks, how we can perform the major operation in stacks. Similarly, and queues and trees, graphs and so on, we will discuss later. We will discuss in the further sessions about all these things. So I hope you got an idea about the data structures. From the next session we will start arrays, then we will move on to the list, stacks, etc. I hope you all understand introduction of the data structure. If you want to support our channel, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.